Okay, so the motion of the sun in the sky and the movement and orientation of Earth in space. The first thing we talked about in the lab was that the sun moves through the zodiac constellations on the path of the ecliptic. And so I think about it as the sun is kind of centered here, and we on Earth are over here, and we're rotating so that we're orbiting so that different constellations are going to be in front of us and behind us. So if one of the constellations is behind us, the one opposite it is going to be in front of us. And as soon as we keep orbiting, and we get to the one that used to be in front of us, it's now behind us, and we have a new one in front of us. That the sun is kind of like in the foreground of these constellations behind it. And then the second thing was the tilt of the Earth and the sun. So like the winter and summer solstice. And we had to go to that website. And you told us to kind of make it so that it tilted kind of like this so that we could see that at one solstice we're kind of above the sun, and at the next one we're kind of below it. But I actually understood it better if I kept it flat, because I could see the red line in the Earth, like noting the Earth's tilt. I could see that when we come to this side, right, the Earth is like kind of tilted away, and when we bring it back around, the Earth is tilted right at the sun. And that kind of like just clicked in my head there, to see that the solstices, where in the summer the sun is higher and in the winter the sun is lower, because of how the Earth is tilted. So when the Earth is tilted away from the sun, we have the winter solstice, and when the Earth is tilted towards the sun, we have the summer solstice. And that's it. I feel like I pretty much understood.